Good morning, man. What's up, guys? Another beautiful day. Time to get green. Well, I guess for those of you guys in the chat, you guys already got the watch list from Marcelo, so that's good. There's a couple of things here I'm gonna just kind of reiterate, go over a little more for the live stream, and we got about 9 minutes to the bell, so we're looking pretty good here. I do have an extended watch list, so I'm gonna add a few more stocks on top of what Marcelo mentioned. There's of course the top gappers, SANA, CURR, CDT. But if we come to the watch list, the gap scan rather, we'll see that there's, almost like 8 stocks that are up over 50%. And I love to have them in my recents on Thinkorswim. That way, if they do start to gap up intraday, it's a little easier to pull them up rather than having to type the symbol. And I know it's not a huge thing, but for me, sometimes I have typos and, every second counts. So I like to just have them there at the ready. ACCD looks like a buyout, so I'll leave that one off. So I'll post the full list here. It's good news that Marcelo's internet is up and running though. I know you might have had just a tiny bit of FOMO, missing out those beautiful moves. I'm gonna post the list here in the YouTube stream as well. There it is. So of course I'm gonna go through one by one, and I'm noticing here that I did not log into E-Trade. I forgot to log in there, so I'll probably log in here at some point. But SANA, I'm gonna start with that one, just for a quick couple of trend lines as we're getting close to the open. And guys, don't forget to turn on your screen recordings. Just a heads up, if you haven't already. Screen recording. OBS, the platform of choice, as it's free. And there's a ton of tutorials available via YouTube. So SANA, which, I think is going to be one of my top stocks, looks decent. 812 for the highs, 471 for the lows. And in our current range, it seems to be doing all right here, holding up above the VWAP. So we'll see how this one does. And as you guys know, I love the uptrend. So I'm hoping this thing retests the pre-market highs and can go, if possible, to $10 would be great. So we'll see how SANA does. This one definitely does look decent. So for CURR, which is another one of the top stocks I have, pre-market highs up there 456, lows at 280, and this one does have a few daily candles that's gapped up and sold off, 438 and 574. Just to keep in mind of those levels if you don't have them mapped out already on the daily chart. So looks good, and over 574 perhaps, we can really take off. Again, if we can see these types of stocks go all the way to 10, then we stand a really good chance of getting a really solid day. So CURR looks pretty decent, up 113%, 35 million shares of volume. CDT is a continuation stock that could move up. Something to just keep an eye on. But other than that, there's TPET, TPET, TPET currently $2, up 60% with 34 million shares of volume. And this one will complete my top three. Of course, the point of me having all the other stocks on the list is so that I can rotate to them if the ones that I have now happen to be a little weaker into the open. TPET, it's worth mentioning that we had a day that we pushed up last month in December, 100 million shares of volume, high point 405 on that day. It definitely gives us a target if the thing happens to be strong today. The 200 EMA 454. So up around $4 could have potential resistance. There's about 3 minutes to go. I'm gonna take a quick second to log into my my E-Trade platform here. I'm gonna log into my E-Trade platform and I'll be ready to go. So I'm gonna go to white screen for those of you on YouTube, white screen. So I have a sibling that's a tech guy, right? And he told me whenever you're typing in a password, go as far as to mute your mic because there's people who specialize in understanding what key you're pushing just based off the sound. Is that true? I don't know if that's true, but all I know is that I just need to hear it once. and, and I'm not taking any chances. Okay, so there's my E-Trade platform. We're good to go. E-Trade I like. I don't know. I really don't need it, but I just like to have it up in case, just in case I want to check something or check out the daily chart on a stock. But anyhow, we have a minute to go. There's another one that's up around 13 bucks that I might want to watch here into the open too. So let's see if I can find it actually. Oh, VIR. How's the volume? Oh, it's not that high. So okay, I'll leave it. I'll leave it alone for now. Yeah, so there's 40 seconds. Let's trade to the best of our abilities. Let's be patient. Let's look forward to making the right decisions here as we're coming into the open. We know the patterns and opportunities that we love. It's all about positioning ourselves as best as we can to capitalize off of those areas. So let's do what's necessary to ensure success by doing all the right things, right? All the good habits. And as long as we can see some good momentum, I expect a nice day here today. As usual, I'll be starting with a small size and then look to increase my share size as the day carries on. At some point, we're going to talk a little bit about yesterday as well. Yesterday, pretty crazy day. Yesterday was pretty crazy in the sense that I left and came back, and then I saw Tim and a couple of the other guys like had monster days. So for a second, I was asking myself if we traded in the same market, like, are we trading the same market here, right? It's how crazy it was. So there's $6. We got a topping wick. There's a break below 6.
QUBT. OKLO. HOVR. XHG. OST. MCVT.
Back above 6.
UMMM. LAES. XHG. OST. SILO.
The new 1-minute candle is coming in pretty soon.
RKLB.
Okay, coming down a bit. 95. There's the new candle.
QMCO. ARM.
It looks like it was a bit of a test of the lows. I think I might move on for now to CURR.
DKNG. NXP.
CURR seems just a little thin though. And I got a bit of a higher fill perhaps right there. There's O2. Yeah, I got a really high fill. Nice for SANA. Oh, no. SANA. Not great for me right there. Kind of fumbled that pullback a little bit.
ATHE.
I got a high fill. And there's a little bit of chop here. You gotta be careful with the fills as usual. Bit of a false breakout. Well, I gave back all my profits on that drop there. That's not good. I guess it was a rejection candle, but I figured we could have held up and then tried again. But Christmas tree. So plus 1K to flat. But I did miss the big breakout over like $6. So I switched away to a different stock already. That's fine. Okay, what else is moving? Is there anything else? Let's see. SILO. Yeah, this thing just Titanic. And SILO looks like it's been great from the start. Now, this one would have been a better one to watch. What the opportunity is going to cost, as usual. $33. I'm going to just take a starter here to see what happens. Time. What's the time? And okay, not good. How low is this pullback? Do I want to try again? Okay, I'm going to try again. Only 2K shares down there though. This is not even enough to recover that loss, which is quite insane.
ATHE.
Okay. This is a new candle, so we got to be careful.
MCVT.
I don't love that I'm this late to this stock. Now, what I need to do well here is for this one to go to you know, 350, $4. 350, $4 is what I need. Will we get that?
GHG.
No, that's a different story.
CERO.
Jeez, it's all over the place. I really and truly should have held that position there, but I do want to be careful of this candle on the 5 being red. 180, 66. This is not good. It's a slow start to the day here. Holding. $85 fill. Time. One minute left in the candle, basically. Pretty fair, pretty fair. And it is false breakout. Great. Not good. Oh, that's not good. New lows. New lows.
LAEE.
SANA to the depths.
XHG. CERO. LAES.
Really? Probably should have just marked it, but it's all good. We'll be patient. Okay, SILO. I do want to be careful as I'm encountering some resistance, I'd say. We started green 1K, back to flat, now red 500. Definitely a bit of a sign to be cautious, to not, like, hey, red day could happen here. So we need to see some good follow through.
JXG.
Hmm. Yeah, not ideal for me here. I was thinking, oh, that's okay, that's fine, whatever. I was gonna try to be a little bit more aggressive there, but that's fine. I gotta just take that. I think I gotta take the high ad is what I have to do. I gotta always take it, even if it's a little high, because it's not high compared to where we're going, right? That's twice in a row I'm gonna like miss a big trade. I should have been long like 10,000 shares or there like minimum. Minimum 10,000 minimum. So like right here we'll see if the early pullback holds up. Uh-oh. That might have been a bit of a higher fill. 66 or 76.
XHG.
Okay. Perhaps a full retracement here.
BFRI.
Are we seeing a full retracement? Yes,
LAES.
we are. No, it's kind of holding. It's kind of holding. There's a lot of selling though. It held. It held the selling pressure there. Oh, I'll be out of that dip too soon. And that's a lot of red on the tape there. There was a hidden buyer 70, perhaps
MCVT.
hidden buyer 60 as well.
LAES.
A lot of topping wicks though, in key areas. on the one. I don't love our trajectory. We're still experiencing some turbulence. The stock did move pretty well. I could have done a better job, I will say. But perhaps I explore some other options. Options like CURR. That's gotten back to high of day. It definitely can move quickly, CURR. So if I can position myself in the right side of the momentum here, and perhaps I can do something. A wise man once said, scalping equals green. But can we continue with this accuracy? And see, okay, that fill is gonna obliterate me. But it would have been a losing trade regardless. All right, 400 bucks, high of 1K, we'll take it. And maybe it's still holding up, but it's a low pullback here. Okay. Gosh. And the double bottom worked out splendidly as I ran out of mental capital. Now 1K to red. Not great. What's the, and that's over 2 minutes, jeez. That's, it just shows you the amount of money that can pass through your account, right? The stock still seems bullish, but it's definitely in this range here. So I needed to play the low of that candle a little bit more rather than that little, bit of a higher low. I mean, it's bounced up a couple times. It probably will go for a new high at some point. Mm-mm-mm.
CERR. BFRI. MCVT.
90 is gonna work. We could see the 5-minute pullback, so I want to be careful here. Well, it's definitely a choppy day to this point.
LAES. RAES.
Why does it feel like it's 10 o'clock already? 10:30 rather. I think perhaps I'm just a little tired. I'm wondering if I need like a bigger base because it's too often where I'm not getting to build a position. I'm always waiting for more of a low and then the low doesn't come. It's a great trade here, just not great size. I gotta figure that out. I gotta figure that out, man, because we definitely need, again, that type of trade, like 10,000 shares. Like, so I gotta figure something out. Maybe I need to just buy 2 more times early, at least get like 3K. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. Maybe it goes for 25. Okay, perhaps not. 6. Now, can this pullback not be a full retracement? Again, like the last stock. That's going to be the key here. Big Steve, that's going to be the key. What if it takes us to the slums? And okay, it's hanging by a thread here. Will we continue? Okay, so perhaps I sold out half too soon. This could be big here if it goes. KB, 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 KB. Oh, I would have wanted to add back aggressively already. I missed it. Okay, all the way to 50.
MCVT.
Oh no. Wow. Okay. That was fair though. Can I see over 50? My god, I'm getting blazed. And I'm back to flat. Okay, I should have sold out much sooner. Oh, the stock is unforgiving, man. 1K to flat again. Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe I should just aim for 1K and get the heck out of here. Bro, what's going on? But that dip from 50 to 4 is what, I'm not thinking we're going to drop that much. That is brutal. Oh, come on, man. Right now, I feel like I'm on a seesaw. I'm on a seesaw. The high of day though was a little unexpected, so you definitely got to anticipate that bigger drop. But at least 20, 15, 4. Mm, rough. And now we missed our big trade going up too with that big size. So let's see what it does here. Oh, I'm red on the day. Holy smokes. No, this is not. I didn't even think I was red. Okay. I almost went short by accident there, hitting the wrong order entry. And our 5 minute candle is rejecting the highs, rejecting the resistance. Man, what a disaster this is so far. I didn't remember ending red on this other one, but maybe I did. SILO, which did a nice red to green and then right back down. I think the key today is just not giving back. There's obviously way more than enough opportunity to get green, but can we avoid the losing side of the momentum? So that way we can avoid being red and just, kind of build a slow day. I'm going to do a full rotation. Okay, all right. Let's see. I'm just gonna be patient and wait around.
QSIAW. BAER.
I'm gonna do a full rotation. What a roller coaster today. What a roller coaster. What a roller coaster it is. SILO. And EONR. CURR.
GROE. CGBS. BIR.
Yep. CGBS, man.
CELZ and CEO.
MTNB may resume in less than a minute. BIR. CBRL.
Oh, my size needs some adjusting.
MTNB.
Of course, we got to be careful of the backside here.
SUMT. VEE.
BFRI. FUBO. MTNB.
I was hoping for that to halt down there.
SQQQ. BNET.
I gotta be careful with this stock here, man.
OLMA. GROE.
Moves very weird.
SQQQ.
SILO.
GROE.
Can I get the bounce?
CGB experts. SOXS.
All right.
CGBS halted. CGBS will resume at 10 hours 18 minutes and 38 seconds.
87 fill, man. What? Come on.
SQQQ.
That could have been a nice trade there.
SOXS. UBXY.
If I got a good fill there, that would have been a nice trade, man. This one definitely has range to it too. Like 310 back to 290 right there.
RHC.
MTNB. UBXY. SOXS. LRHC halt. LRHC will resume at 10 hours 19 minutes and 30
I'm getting the worst fills too, which is fine.
VXX. UBXY. SOXS. SQQQ. GROV.
Oh,
VXX.
stock is driving me mad, and it's back up, of course. I'm too timid in that trade.
UBXY.
This one is good. This one is good. Gotta step up to the plate. You gotta step up, be better. That's the only way. What was that, like 3 bounces from 80 to 3? I mean, you can't complain with that.
FUBO.
MTNB.
APCX.
GROV. MTNB halted. MTNB will resume at 10 hours 22 minutes and 2 seconds. CGBS may resume in less than a minute. GROV. OSCR.
CGBS.
CYBC may resume in less than a minute.
safe.
Damn. What? Oh my gosh, CURR. Oh no. Oh, what was that, man? Volume just came in like crazy. No dips. $18. Disaster. Disaster. Oh, come on. CURR witnessed the move from 380 and missed the entire candlestick. How much are we down? Okay, I gotta be careful here. These red days, man, they're gotta fight it, here. If not me, who? If not
MT1
now,
will
when?
resume in less than a minute.
Can we see some good dips?
MT in faith.
All right, that's fair. That's very fair. Low
And
06.
execute
Is that the bottom though? Or is this just a sell-off? What's it gonna be? Time? There's time. Time to get back to highs.
CMPX.
Come on, KB. Where are those bulls? Should have scaled out of that. Candlestick has about 2 minutes on the 5. Okay. What was that? There's only 20 seconds is the candle struggling. Okay, maybe a quick hoorah into the last 15 seconds over 20. Over 20 would be good. One last hoorah here. 5 seconds. And below 20. A new 1 minute candle.
LAES.
This one is definitely a tricky one as well. I think I'm gonna watch for the volume, but maybe the dips could work.
LAES will resume in 0 seconds. FUBO.
Okay, okay. But
SHG.
I was early to that.
CYBT. FUBO. BAER. XHG halted. XHG will resume at 10 hours 31 minutes and 29 seconds.
BAOS.
Wow, this is like a chop fest, man. And then the way how the stocks are moving, it's a little harder to get back in with proper entries because of the spread and the volatility. Like I'm trying to get back in there, but it's like it's already at 90 before I can even like react. Which, you know, it's like causing me to miss trades. Now I can take the trade and just take the higher fill, but then the risk is higher in the entry. Right now we're down 1200. Not great. Big Steve. Big Steve, brother.
ACBA.
Ah, and the dip is working splendidly,
OLMA.
and I'm not in.
ANGO.
Those bids are not holding up for us. Are they? Oh, it looks like it did. We sell through, what, 70% of it? Come on. Big level here, though. Big level. Dude, this is just ridiculous.
ALT. ANGO. ROKU.
It's holding, so I'm just going to take it. And it's going to work. But it's right back down. Look at that.
CURR. CATO.
Uh, okay. What's it going to do? Bro, why do we have to crash out like that? To 490 to 420 instantly. Since when? Okay.
KU. FUBO.
LAES.
XHG may
Oh, you son of a gun. Oh, why did I not give that a chance, man? Because I'm thinking I bought it early because we're going to see sub 50. Damn.
BRG.
20 cents gone.
FUBO. NLSP.
AMRN.
ANGO.
Hopefully it makes a new high. Hopefully it does. Hope. Not the immediate slingshot.
XHG.
Better. Can we continue? And
FUBO.
nothing.
ANGO. ROKU. FUBO.
It's definitely lingering here. What's it want to do? Do we want to come down some more, or can we hold up and then retest the highs?
ERO.
KB, come on, man. We need some sweet movements here.
FUBO.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn. 30, 35? 35. Okay. There's a big seller. Bro, I cannot afford to go flat again. I'm gonna run mad.
ORKT. MLSS.
Did my average not
FUBO.
go down? Did I get a high fill? KB! KB, man.
XHG.
K of the B.
TATT.
Where are those bulls? Where are those bulls?
PATH.
RDUS.
ROKU. BAER. PAA. SUPB. ARM.
Of course, man. As soon as I decide to reduce the risk, thinking it's taking too long, it curls up. Sold 1,000 shares for nothing.
ALTS.
Not good. Not good, brother.
FUBO. ROKU.
Damn.
FUBO.
Come on. Then it goes without me. Bro, this is a disaster, man. What's going on with this price action? Can't build nothing here.
RZLB.
If not me, who? Gotta step up to the plate. If not now, when?
PATH. RZLB. ARM.
Okay. Okay.
DKNG.
Waiting.
DB. FUBO. PATH.
Quite. Watching and waiting. I just need one good sequence to pull away. One good sequence. Look at that fill. Tragic.
SATX.
FUBO.
Just waiting like a lion right now in the bushes. The moment this volume hits this thing. Come on. Is this it? Is this it? Bro, I need to see over 90. I need to see $4. Come on, rip to the moon. Oh, damn it. 70. Let short sellers cover and go into despair as they're trying to short the highs. Take me to Pluto and then Jupiter. If we're lucky, we'll get a new solar system. Okay, not quite.
CURR.
The way how it's moving, man, I don't know if I'll get the freaking move. No, I won't. There's okay, okay. Son of a gun. Yeah, it when it goes, it'll be good, but it's definitely heavy, and
FUBO.
it's just playing out in such a lame way here. Look at stuff like that. Like, come on, getting butchered in the chop.
ACHC.
I'm gonna lose my. Well, short sellers are definitely holding it down, but you know, can we break free here? Can we break free? Fucking mess. This is. I think I'm gonna have to wait till let it pull away a little bit because I'm downtrending here. Disaster. Still sold too soon there. 50 held, or is it?
CAA.
Short sellers are on the run. They're on the run here.
PSIG.
They're gonna feel the squeeze if they don't cover. But it's still not moving smoothly, I'd say. Man, like it is a tough one here in the level 2, man. No continuation there. Interesting. All right. There's a blue line up here. Potential resistance.
NEHCW.
It's imperative that this candlestick on the 5 closes with strength.
DD.
Man, oh man. Yeah, the Hive Day trades. So over 70 having a lot of trouble here.
CURR. JSPR.
Man.
CURR. CURR. DB. CURR. IDXX. CNX. CURR.
This is not good. The halt is at 87. Hopefully gets halted up at this point. I mean,
IDXX. CURR.
HTC on.
OLMA. CURR. HTCO halted. HTCO will resume at 10 hours 52 minutes and 31 seconds.
oh my god.
XHG.
Trying to dip again.
XHG.
Bro. Well, okay. Alright, that's gonna have to do it for me here, sadly. XHG, is there anything here? Oh, this is just ridiculous. I couldn't do anything. Couldn't do anything. After XHG, I'm out of here. Red Day recap. Red Day recap.
XHG halted. XHG will resume in 0 seconds. ASND.
$54.11. Maybe we get some sympathy. XHG.
DV.
Less than a minute for XHG. Halted up to 58. Ten seconds.
XHG.
DV.
This one was a little thick as well.
XHG.
Or there's a few sellers there. 3, not quite. Not a bad move, but a little thick. for this one, a little thick.
XHG.
Alright, okay, I'm just getting cooked. Perhaps time to shut it down. Ah, man. What was that low? 72. Perfectly perfect. Right at the right at the support. URR, potential double bottom. Also, I'm curious of my fill on that last trade. 93. The low of the last candle of the current candlestick is 96, and the highs are 707. Definitely a stock to hold longer for sure. Like double bottom at 6, 60-cent move if you're to hold it. I sold for 20 cents gain.
UNG. STFS.
and VLS.
HTCO.
Why do I have an 11? I think, okay, that's the start. Screen recording over.
HTCO will resume at 11 hours 4 minutes and 37 seconds.
XHG still fighting at the highs. Still fighting at the highs. I do want to keep in mind that this 5-minute candle is red. And quite the roller coaster today.
ZENA.
JXG.
DV.
Third time is usually pretty tricky.
JXG halted. JXG will resume at 11 hours 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
And TCL.
HTCO may resume in less than a minute. VIR.
So that third dip held up. Third dip held up.
VIR. JXG may resume in less than a minute.
MCUB.
NTCL. VIR.
JXG.
Think I'm going to shut it down. Small red. Unfortunately, we were green. I think like 1K, like 5, 6 times. I don't even know how many times. Couldn't build anything. And on the breakout, it was just a little too slow for me to really capture it properly. But definitely was a stock to be holding longer in this move here. The acceleration didn't really come in up until $6, like plus $6, like 6.30. We kind of had the price skip, but I got a bit of a higher fill there, and I'm like, it's harder to hold that trade. But I think I'm gonna walk. We'll see. I mean, it's still holding up again, surprisingly here. Another bounce.
SCFS.
But I think I'm going to walk, lock it in, and then tomorrow again. Can we break this downtrend and actually
JXG halted.
retest the highs,
JXG will
make a
resume in
new
11
high?
hours, 13 minutes and 43 seconds.
I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. I'm gonna shut it down. If I come back and it's like dead, then that's the day. But anyhow, for those of you going till 4 p.m., stay safe, stay green. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Pastor shutting it down. Stay safe, stay green. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out those links down below for the classes, for the scanner, and for the chat room. Catch you guys in the next one. As of the end of the stream, red 886.39. Shutting it down. Hit that thumbs up on the way out. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow again. I despise to not make money on this type of stock, but it's all good in the neighborhood. All good in the neighborhood. Tomorrow, oh yeah, tomorrow's Thursday, right? Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, there's this new holiday thing that they're talking about. So Friday. Oh man, dang. They should have what they should have done. They should have put the holiday on Friday. That way, it's just like a full 3-day weekend. But all good. So tomorrow markets close. Markets are closed tomorrow, and we'll be back on Friday to close out the week. So far, pretty decent week. The red day here today, small, and we'll put out a recap. So if this stock ends up making new highs or something else comes up and we're here, we can definitely get back to green. Perhaps have a nice day. But for now, we're at 800 and shutting it down. Stay safe, stay green. I'll catch you guys on Friday. See you later.